Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is Nabila. My name is 25,403,005. I am from the Communication Science Study Program, Faculty of Social and Political Science. I am making this video to fulfill my TOEFL final exam achievement by presenting the material about simple present tense with Miss Hikmani Sabahtiar as my lecturer. Today, I would like to example one of the 16 tenses in English, which is simple present tense. 1. Definition atau pengertian. First, what is simple present tense? Simple present tense is tenses that with us to talk about daily activities, habits, routines, general facts, and things that are generally true. For example, I study English every day. This sentence shows a regular activity or habit. 2. Formula atau rumus. Now, let's talk about the formula. For a positive sentence, the formula is subject plus verb 1 plus object. For example, I go to campus every day. However, 3 is an important rule for he, she, and it. When the subject is he, she, or it, we actually add s or es to the verb. For example, she study English every day. The word study changed into studies because the subject is she. 3. Negative sentence atau kalimat negatif. Next, for a negative tenses, we ask do not or do is not. We ask do not with I, you, we, and they. We ask do is not with he, she, and it. For example, I do not study English every day, and she does not study English every day. Remember, after do is not, the verb goes back to the basic form. So, we say she does not study, not she does not studies. For interrogative tenses atau kalimat tanya. Next, for an interrogative or question sentence, we ask do or does at the beginning of the sentence. For example, do you study English every day? For he, she, and it, we ask does. For example, do you study English every day? 5. Uses atau penggunaan. Simple present tense is commonly used to talk about habits and routines. For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. It can also be used to talk about facts. For example, the sun rises in the east. 6. Conclusion atau kesimpulan. So, in conclusion, simple present tense is used to describe habits, routines, daily activities, and general facts. That is my explanation about simple present tense. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.